Hi everyone, I'm Pavithra from Happycoin. So thank you very much for the support in the previous videos. I think definitely all the videos are useful to you guys. And today I'm going to talk about your first impression. There is a quote, first impression is the best impression. So how to make your first impression as best? So in the HR process, the first step is your resume. So you will be sending the resume to the employer and then employer will be reviewing it. So that is the first step. So how to make it best? So there are some steps that you have to follow. So you will be definitely scoring higher points than your other competitive candidates. So let's get into that. Hi, so now we are going to look into the points that which it is very mandatory you to take into the consideration when you are sending an email. So point number 1 is email address. So you have to make sure you are sending into the right person or the right email address. And the second one is subject line. So you have to always make sure you are typing the position that you're applying along with your name in the subject line, and then you have to type the email whatever you want, but if you can write something like this it would be really impressive because first impression is best. So you have to make sure that you are presenting yourself not too big, too short also. So this would be good enough. And then your resume, when you are attaching your resume, make sure that your resume naming is correct, or else it is also can create that you are not a professional person. So when you're sending an email like this, definitely you will score extra point for this. And after finishing your interview, if you really like the job and you are waiting, so this is the right email for you to send to the company. So they will definitely get a good impression, and there are a lot of chances that you to get a job. So both I'm attaching in the description, so use it and don't forget to change the phrase according to the your position and your skill set, whatever you want to add or you want to, your feeling is not needed, you can delete and use it like a basic template. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think definitely these templates will be useful to you guys, and use it and share with your friends also who are searching for the jobs, who are searching for the career opportunities. So definitely use this as a basic template, and definitely you will see a good results. You are getting more calls among others. And like and subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you very much.